Good day and welcome. It's Marlena Burton. So hopefully you're having a great day. I'm here to show you how to leverage $1 a day or so towards full-time freedom. So our full-time freedom team, we're building multiple income streams simultaneously. Okay, just like I have a couple of pairs of glasses, I tell people where I got them, and it's really that simple. I just share a video, okay? They like it and they join, or they don't. We keep it moving, okay? So you were probably asked the question in high school, if I gave you $1 million today or a penny that doubles itself every day for 30 days, which would you take? And so hopefully you said both. I learned from my millionaire mentor, T. Harv Eker, to have a mindset of both, okay? And so just imagine that you have a $20 side hustle, okay? And you have 5 people that join you, and then they want to join your other businesses as well. It's pretty phenomenal. And so that's our concept in full-time freedom, is to have the same people join you in multiple income streams, and you're already set. So I'm here to shift the frequency of the planet with love and gratitude. So I want to encourage you to love yourself enough, love your family enough to say yes to freedom. And then just put these systems to work for you. Okay? Keep it super simple. Have a lot of fun. So just imagine working with a team of grateful people. Even if you got paid as little as $1 per month per person. Guys, it can be phenomenal. It adds up quickly. So you can go to my site at automaticbuilder.com/say yes now and check out what we're doing. Just go there. It might be for you. It might not. I don't know if it's for you or not. All I know is I'm on week number 78 of vacation because I said yes. I started out with an intention of 7 to 10 days a month, and it's just multiplied from there. So give yourself permission to succeed. Take personal responsibility. If you have any questions, give me a call, 618-223-6006. Have yourself a fun day. Abundant blessings to you. God's best to you. Peace out.